Hi guys! Hi there and welcome to my channel. This is Ems. For today's video, guys, do you want to know what's the difference between a copyright claim and a copyright strike? So, for all the YouTubers out there, especially for the beginners, you may want to hear this. This is very important, okay? Some of us are getting confused with a copyright claim or copyright strike. So, please keep on watching if you want to know more. And I hope you watch until the end of these videos. Okay, guys, what's the difference between a copyright claim and a copyright strike? Okay. First, what is a copyright claim? It says here that a copyright claim is issued when you have uploaded something that you do not own the copyright to. And there are three important variations these claims comes in. Okay. First, I'm gonna read all the three and then I'm going to explain further what does it mean, and I'll be giving an example, guys. Okay, so first, the copyright holder can monetize your video. This means that ads will be played on your video and paid to the right holder. Second, the copyright holder can block your video in certain territories, countries, or block it worldwide. This means your video won't be able to view in any blocked locations. And then third, the copyright holder may choose to do nothing. Copyright claims only apply to the videos in questions and have no major effect on your channel. You don't have to be scared of it. Okay guys, about copyright claim. Do you know guys that I have received actually a 3 copyright claim? I don't know because probably the first one is really a copyright claim and then the other 2 is like a content ID. Sorry guys, I have not researched about the difference between the copyright claim and the content ID claim because I think it's almost the same. Okay, so for copyright claim, ganito kasi yun. Tagalog na ako. Okay, so for copyright claim, hindi naman daw to nakaka-apekto sa YouTube channel natin. So, wag tayong mapaparanoid, sabi ganon. That's why, yung video na in-upload ko, 3 videos, 2 of them, 2 of them, andun lang siya. Yun yung, when I uploaded the Filipino band in the Maldives, that is when they play the music na may copyright kasi it's been playing in videos dun sa original na kumanta nun. And then, the other one is the General's Daughter Top 10 Kilig Moments of Franco and Rian. By the way guys, Franco and Rian are the 2 main characters of the General's Daughter. Matatapos na pala siya, kaya guys, sinusubaybayan ko din yun. Commercial lang. Okay. Gumagawa ko ng commercial ko sa sarili ko. Okay. Yung The General's Daughter, totally, dinilit ko siya. Kasi bakit? Si ABS-CBN yun eh. Malaking channel yun. Ang hirap kalaban nun. So, natakot ako kasi baka sooner magreklamo sa akin kung magkaroon pa ako ng copyright strike in the future, which I will discuss later about that copyright strike. Okay? So, in-edit ko naman yung video, guys. Ang nangyari lang, kasi nung in-edit ko siya, shinorten ko lang yung ibang videos, tapos nilagyan ko lang siya ng countdown, which is the number 1, number 2, number 3, ganon. Ganon lang. Tapos, syempre na-detect ni YouTube, si ABS-CBN yun. So, naparanoid ako doon sa instance na yun. Kaya, ayun, niligwak ko na siya sa channel ko. Buti na lang, hindi naman siya madaming views. Ang habol ko kasi doon, baka since trending naman yung series na yon, baka mag-trending siya. And apart from that, hindi pa naman monetize yung channel ko. So, hindi ako natatakot na mag-upload ng gano'n. Pero, hindi pala dapat yon. Kasi kahit hindi pa pala monetize yung channel mo, dapat nag-iingat tayo. Lalo na yung beginners pa lang tayo, first time YouTuber, dapat nasa tuwid na landas na tayo. I mean, dapat tinatahak natin yung tamang landas. Kasi baka pagsisihan natin sa bandang huli. Bakit ko nasabi? Well, probably I'll be uploading another videos for that. Okay? So, dun sa 2 videos ko, hindi ko siya dinelete. Bakit? Kasi, ang tumugtog naman nun, yung banda, na hindi naman sila hindi nga yun yung original na kumanta, kumbaga, same yung music, at yung bakit siya na-detect ni YouTube. Kasi si YouTube may AI, or meron siyang algorithm or artificial intelligence ba yun, yung AI, na once ma-detect niya yung same sound, ang galing kasi lang tumugtog, siguro kopya-kopya pati yung poses nung tumugtog, ganon. Kaya, akala siguro ni YouTube is nag-upload ako ng original content. Char! Yun, hindi pala. Content ID claim lang. For that naman daw, okay lang yon. Dalawa yun eh. Sabi ni YouTube, naka-receive kasi ako sa kanya ng email. Sabi niya, hindi naman to copyright strike. Pero, ang possibility daw doon, may possibility na yung ads mag-appear dun sa video ko. Ganon din naman yung doon sa General's Daughter. Pero ang sabi, kapag may mag-appear na video dun sa General's Daughter, hindi ako mamonetize. Kasi yun yung gusto ni ABS-CBN, yung rightful owner ng video na yun. So, anyway, since that's the case, ayoko na ding habulin yung views or yung watch hours dun sa video na yon, delete ko na lang. Sorry, ABS. Pa talaga nag-sorry, no? I mean, sorry kasi in-upload ko yung original video nila. Tapos, dun naman sa 2 other videos, sabi kasi, kung mag-monetize na yung video ko, it would be a shared revenue if I chooses to do nothing. Kasi may option ka na mag-dispute. Pero ingat-ingat tayo sa pag-dispute, guys, ha? Kasi we have to make sure na tama yung pag-dispute natin. Na siguraduhin natin na original content talaga yon. Walang kahit anong bahid na kinapi natin siya sa iba. Even the background music or even the content itself, yun. Kaya, kasi, pag natalo ka doon sa dispute na yun, ligwak agad-agad ang channel mo. Meron daw mga, alam niyo yung mga YouTuber na, sabi ko bakit kasi yung mga YouTuber na iba, kumakanta sila, nagigitara sila, ayun pala, kasi kapag acoustic, hindi siya makaka-copyright YouTube. Ang problema, hindi naman kasi maganda yung boses ko. Gusto ko sana, kung gifted lang ako with that talent, di kakanta lang na makakanta. At yun lang yung i-upload ko palagi, di ba? Kaya lang, sorry, hindi talaga Pangarap ko yun pero hindi na talaga nangyari. So, eto, nagpapakahirap na lang ako gumawa ng content. So, swerte talaga yung may mga talent sa mga ganung bagay. Minsan nga, nagtitrending pa, di ba? Lalo na kung very talented sila. O kung magandang boses, yung mga magaling sumayaw, ganun. Kahit sa pagsayaw, guys, walang pag-asa.
Oh no!
Talent ko. Ganda lang yata meron ako. Char lang. Okay. Tapos, sige, balik na tayo. Ayun nga, yung kaibahan. Ayun nga, yung kapag sinabing copyright claim. Ngayon, ano naman yung copyright strike? Okay, sabi dito, a copyright strike is issued when you have uploaded something that you do not own the copyright to. The big difference here is that the copyright holder chooses to remove your video from YouTube. This means nobody can monetize and it's blocked everywhere. In addition to that, you also may lose access to some features on your YouTube account and your account will no longer be in good standing, which is ayaw natin mangyari yun, guys. These are some of the features you could have revoked. First is the monetization. Okay, so yun na nga, you won't be able to monetize the videos kasi nga, ipapadelete siya ng owner. Yun. Or ipapablock siya. And then second, longer videos. So, if before, nakakapag-upload ka ng videos longer than 15 minutes, this time, YouTube won't allow you. Okay? Parang penalty to eh. Tapos yung live streaming. Uso pa naman ngayon mga LSLS, mga live streaming dyan. So, isa din to na hindi mo magagawa. You won't be able to live stream from your account. Okay? Tapos guys, etong pinakamasaklap. Once you get a 3 copyright strikes on your channel, it will be taken down by YouTube or it will be terminated. And you will be banned from creating another YouTube channel. O, diba? So, ang mas masakit nito, kung nagmo-monetize na yung channel mo, at saka ka palang tapos saka bigla naka-receive ka ng sunod-sunod na copyright strike na hindi mo pala alam na may ginawa ka pala in the past na since nung na-meet mo na yung monetization policy or monetization requirements ni AdSense at ni-review yung channel mo o pumasa ka nga dun sa requirement na yon, nagmo-monetize ka na, no? Tapos bigla, ayan na, meron ka palang copyright strike doon. Ayun. So, possible yun na maligwak yung channel mo. So, sayang lang lahat ng effort mo. Pero ang hirap pa naman kumuha ng 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hours. Tapos, mapupunta lang lahat sa wala. Mababaliwala lang lahat. Diba guys? Ang hirap nung pinag-effortan mo tapos mapupunta sa wala. Diba? Kaya guys, ingat tayo. Pero, naman, nag-expire din pala yung copyright strike. Pero, yun nga lang, kailangan magantay ng 6 months. So, after 6 months, it will expire. Okay? Pero, ang tagal, diba? Parang, ang dami mo nang nagawa ng 6 months na yun. Pwede nga within that 6 months, ma-meet mo yung monetization requirements ni YouTube at mag-monetize ka na during those period. Pero, ikaw, mas mapapag-iwanan ka pa. Mapapag-iwanan ka na. Kaya, ayun, mag-ingat tayo sa pag-upload ng mga videos. It is always advisable and recommended that we upload our own original content. Or be creative. Ako, hanggang ngayon, nahihirapan pa rin talaga ako. Kaya, kung titignan nyo yung channel ko, halo-halo siya. Parang halo-halo lang sa Chowking. Yan, or sa mga inasal, di ba? Ang balisin na separate ko na lang siya per content dun sa playlist ko. Yan guys. Para hindi naman siya magbuka talagang chapsoy na. Ganun. Kaya, ayun guys. So, sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to. For some other about YouTube or any other tips na malaman ko, share ko agad sa inyo with my new videos. Okay? I will try to make a content or video for that. So, thank you for watching, and guys, if you're new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button, and if you like the video, you may also want to give it a thumbs up. This would really mean the world to me, and thank you in advance guys. And if you don't mind getting a notification, you can also click that bell icon so you will be updated with my new videos. Alright, so see you again guys next time. Bye! Bye!